Hey everyone, back to my channel. Today, I am so thrilled to share this wonderful experience I had with this fantastic blender I recently got from Amazon. If you're in the market for a new blender that can handle anything from smoothies and frozen treats, you definitely want to hear about this one. So, straight out of the box, this blender impressed me with the sleek design and sturdy build. It looked great on my countertop too, and it felt well made, which is always a plus when investing in a kitchen appliances. Smoothie experience. I decided to put the test on one of my favorite smoothie recipes. I used frozen strawberries, blueberries, and ice. Combined it with a strawberry smoothie banana drink. The blender powered through the frozen fruit and the ice effortlessly, creating the perfect texture and creamy consistency. The texture was just so right, exactly what you hope for in a high-end quality smoothie. One of the standout features of this blender is its multiple speed settings. Whether if you want an ice cream texture or a thick smoothie or more liquids consistency for drinks, this blender had you covered. I love how customized the blending options are, making it so easy to achieve exactly the results you're looking for.
What pole is that?
Flavor experience. To mix things up, I added a splash of a lime to my smoothie. It added a refreshing zing and elevated the overall flavor, showing exactly how versatile your creation can be with this blender. It's amazing how a simple addition can such make a difference. Ease of use and cleaning. Now let's talk about the usability. This blender is incredible user friendly. The controls are intuitive and switching between settings is so smooth and straightforward. After I was blending, I appreciate how easy it was to clean. The parts are simply to disassemble, and they rinse very clean with any hassle, perfect for busy mornings or when I was in a rush. My final thoughts. Overall, I'm so thoroughly impressed while this blender, it has its quick became assistant parts of my kitchen routine, and I cannot wait to try more recipes with it. Whether if you're making the smoothies or soups or even frozen desserts, this blender is up to the test. If you're considering upgrading your kitchen appliance, I highly recommend giving this blender a try. It's been a fantastic additional to my kitchen, and I'm sure it would be yours too. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and kitchen tips. And I actually have beauty tips too from Amazon product reviews.